channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reset Sklein encoded keypad lock, factory reset, Wi-Fi reconnect or repair. So guys, for this, first of all, a factory reset delete all the access code, wireless settings and the pair devices. So slide the interior battery cover up and off. Find the black circle button labeled reset next to the battery. Push and hold the button for 7 seconds. The LED will flash red, then blink blue. The lights turn solid blue when complete. Use the physical thumb bolt turn to verify the mechanism operation. Then how to reconnect Wi-Fi and repair the app. So launch your Sklein home app on your iOS on the Android. Delete the previous lock profile from your device app dashboard. Click the option of add device and choose the Sklein encoded and scan the code and keep your phone close to the lock to the link and choose 2.4 gigahertz home Wi-Fi network and type your network password to restore the online access. So this is the way that you can reset your HLink encode keypad lock. So guys, thank you.